Hey guys, welcome back to another video of me reviewing my old scripts, and today I'm going to be reviewing a program that determines how many times Steelers have won the Super Bowl and the number of the game they won for the first time. So, and in this file, the Super Bowl winners.txt, there's list of all Super Bowl winners year by year until year 47. Um, So yeah, let's go over the program or the script. And so it opens the file we open as read using the infile variable, and we make Steelers the win, which is I think a terrible name. So I'm going to be fixing that later on. Um, I named this variable C, but I know that this is a counter, because I always use C as count or counter. And then there's this condition, and I think it does nothing, so let's just run it and run it without these. So yeah, they are useless. I was like, huh, what is that doing here? And then for loop, winners and in file, if winner. So we're going through the file, traversing through the file, and winners is each line. And if the winners start with the team name Steeler, then we get a +1 to the counter. I guess this could be a winner, not winners, because there's only one per line. But whatever. And next, we print this line using the counter to show you how many times Steelers has won the Super Bowl until the 47th Super Bowl. And then we close the file to finish the operation. And again, we open it here, and we can do a list comprehension to get all the Super Bowl winners into the list, and then we close it, and then we find the team name, and we find its index +1 because index this is 0, so therefore it must +1, and use separator of nothing, so that it looks clean like this. And yeah, that's a pretty simple program. Um, some minor improvements I could make is I could use with open to not use these not close, because if you use with open, then it will automatically close the file for you as soon as you exit the what should I say, loop or something. um, so that's pretty neat. It's good for short scripts, but not for really long ones. um, and what we could do is just put them in one loop, a for loop. I think we can do it. It's just that I'm not going to do it in this video. Um, and we can just, this line saying here. And we can merge, yeah, I already covered that. And we could use better variable names like these, win, counter. So I put some new things for the first part. I made a new one, basically. So we're gonna redefine the variables with better variable names to make people understand easier, and then we'll use the with open to open the file, and for winner in file, going to the list again, or the text rather, and in the file they're gonna have something at the end like \n or something like that. So we should use just starts with to see if the thing is a part of that line rather than the entire thing, because it wouldn't detect it. And then we would use the counter to, of course, count how many times Steelers has won, and voila, 6 times. And yeah, so you could do this like similar style for the second part as well. It's just gonna be a little bit different because if you do list comprehension, then it messes up the thing again because there's like enters and stuff. So yeah, tricky problem, but not hard. So, let's see if I went over everything. Yeah, I think that's it. Well, this was a quick video. Um, I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something about the with open and how to use them. Um, this is pretty neat, right? Compared to like this, it's much longer and tedious, I guess. Or this was cooler as well. um, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys on the next one.